the appropriate legislation for all gender-related violence, we need the data directly from the barangays. The Gender Development Office has already provided the gender-based violence mapping tool to all barangays, but to date, only 3 barangays have accomplished the forms, which is only 2 pages. So I would like to pass a resolution requesting the 98 barangays of Zamboanga City to accomplish the gender-based mapping tool form and to submit it to the soonest possible opportunity to the Gender and Development Office of Zamboanga City. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Jointly and severally seconded.
Thank you.
Next, Member Balesco.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. First resolution is a resolution reiterating my earlier resolution number 532 approved by this August body March 27. And on the later part, Mr. Chair, last May, the Honorable Kari Jan Piop also passed this similar resolution, Mr. Chair, of establishing help hotlines to request the Zamboanga Task Force COVID-19 to the office of the City Mayor to consider the possibility of opening hotlines manned by psychologists, experts, and professionals in the related field to provide counseling to people who are psychologically or mentally and emotionally stressed caused by the impending threat of the coronavirus 2019. Thus providing them an outlet to express their fears and anxieties, and so that the city government will have part or role to help our people in the issue of mental health. So I move accordingly, Mr. Chair.
Jointly and severally seconded.
Second resolution, Mr. Chair, resolution calling for emergency meeting with the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board, the LTO, the City Planning, the City Admin, the Committee of the Whole to be headed by the Committee Chair on Traffic, and of course maybe the Committee Chair on Ordinances, regarding the so-called killer highways. Due to rampant recorded vehicular accidents in the following highways: Manikaan, Culianan, Sinunok, Calarian, and other areas in the city of Zamboanga, to establish stricter measures against overspeeding and road safety hazards, including reported or unabated vehicles running at night without lights. I move accordingly.
Jointly and severally seconded.
Another resolution, Mr. Chair. I would like to earnestly request for all of the mayor, to the GSO, the city engineer, and city budget to study the possibility of putting up government-monitored comfort rooms or restrooms in the strategic locations of both districts, which will help address the personal needs of our constituents. Nisita kita restrooms, especially na mga highways, kay mga motorista, chenebes, specialmente kay problema na prostrate o kay problema na bladder, tamielang onde-onde. So we need restrooms in the highways, Mr. Chair. And of course, this is suggested that this will be established near the barangay halls or police stations, Mr. Chair. This representation, along with the chairman of the Committee of Infra, Councilor Crisanto de la Cruz, are the ones introducing this proposed resolution for appropriate action. I move accordingly.
Jointly and severally seconded.
Last resolution, Mr. Chair.
Huh?
Last. Naipadali, Gilcon? Anyway, Mr. Chair, this is a request of both the administration of West Metro Hospital and the Barangay of Tetuan, headed by Honorable Walmart Atilano. They've been asking the city government, of course, they've already discussed this with the city admin, si Ma'am Apolgo, And Engineer Joy has also informed me yesterday, yasya sila mga estimates, Mr. Chair, to the concreting of the road beside the West Metro Hospital. The said lot is a government lot, and the City Engineer's Office has already conducted initial surveys and estimates. The concreting of this road is a request of Tetuan Barangay Council headed by the Honorable Walmart Atilano. I will just supply the details later, Mr. Chair. I so move.
Jointly and severally seconded. Member Dalipe.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, there's a letter here from the Santa Cruz stall owners requesting our office to set a dialogue with regards to the operation, fines, and charges imposed on the stall owners of Santa Cruz Market. I move, Mr. Chairman, to refer this to the Committee on Markets and Slaughterhouse to invite City Admin, City Treasurer, and City Legal. I move accordingly, Mr. Chairman,
Referred to the committee.
for a dialogue.
There is one proposed resolution here, but I recall in the past we agreed that when a matter has been referred to the committee, we will have to wait for the committee to make a report in plenary instead of having the chair present a separate, individual motion on the floor. So, with all due respect to Member Elago, I recall that the matter covered by your proposed resolution has been referred to the committee. So, if I may just suggest, if the committee can come out with a committee report to dispose of the matter instead of the chair on his own presenting a motion on other matters.
Mr. Chair, with your permission, I would like to pass this as an independent resolution.
But the same matter is also pending in your committee.
Your Honor, remember last week I was about to pass this, but I was also requested not to pass it because there were,
What's the point of order?
yes.
If the distinguished chairman would really want to introduce the resolution, I move for the suspension of the rules.
Second.
Let me see.
Rules suspended?
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Councilor Jimenez. Well, you see, Your Honor, yesterday we conducted the committee hearing on games and amusement. This is an offshoot of a resolution passed last session, wherein it was requested that instead of this representation to come up with that resolution, which I'm just going to reiterate now, it would be best that a formal recorded meeting with the proponents, who are the members of the Zamboanga Cockpit Operators Incorporated. So we conducted it yesterday, Your Honor. And unfortunately, because of time constraint, the report was not able to be accomplished. Now, I just would like to report to
So
you.
why can't the report wait for the next session?
Pardon, sir?
Why can't we have the report included in the next session?
Because the resolution that I was supposed to pass is just the same. The
That's
one
why,
that
that's why. So,
I was going to pass.
If I may just suggest, since there has been a formal referral to the committee, if we can have the committee report it out also formally to the plenary, then yan public hearing man ayer. So,
Yeah.
kasi lang na-report, recommendation.
Okay, so anyway, because I was with the impression that I will be able to come up with an independent resolution, because it sounds the same anyway. It is the same, similar to what earlier on we really wanted to pass. So I'm not sure if am I allowed to pass this as an independent resolution or not.
If you will pass it now, it will make useless the proceedings yesterday, because there was a formal referral to the committee. If you were to ask the presiding, I would be more comfortable if the committee will dispose of the matter
Alright.
referred to the committee through a
Because
committee
there was,
report.
Yes, I understand your predicament, Your Honor, but there was only one recommendation anyway. That's why I was thinking maybe I could just bring it up here. It is not a complex report.
In fairness also to the committee members who attended the committee hearing.
All right, so I will give in to your request. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Any other? May I solicit a motion to adjourn?
I move to adjourn, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, member.
I know the distinguished Vice Mayor is a friend of Senator Kamala Harris, who was the Vice President-elect in the United States. I see pictures in...
Just an acquaintance.
just an acquaintance,
Just
but
an
there's a
acquaintance.
picture. I hope you join me in adopting a resolution subject to style, congratulating the President-elect Biden and Harris on their election as the President-elect and Vice President-elect of the United States of America. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Any?
Second.
Yes, seconding. Comment, Member Tilano. Seconding Pareha Villaflores Nunyo.
There is no final verdict pa, Mr. Chair. Oh, na hindi. Even President-elect, because they are ongoing, I am monitoring it in preparation for 2022. So, that's why I know the details. Eh, baka mampalpak na, problema kita.
You know, Mr. Chairman, I have been watching the proceedings on CNN practically up to about 12 or even 1 o'clock in the morning. I just wanted to know the result. But as President-elect and Vice President-elect, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, while the Electoral College has not yet met, I understand it is a tradition in the United States that when the major networks have called the race in
Yes.
favor of a candidate, they already consider that particular candidate as president-elect.
Yes,
In this case,
the certified copies per state will still be submitted to Congress by, I think, by next month. Yes, to January. Anyway, it was seconded, Mr. Chairman. No.
yes, any other comment? Objection? Jointly alam? Huh? Jointly and severally seconded. Any other? Session is adjourned.
The resolution to be presented by Councilor Jimmy Villaflores.
On January 20 in Washington, D.C.
Congrats. Congrats,
Real
Jimmy
ngayon,
Villaflores.
Washington DC.
Together with